Alam niyo ba muntik na akong ma-scam? Here's what happened. So this girl messaged me on my Facebook fan page saying that they want to put ads on my Facebook page. So ito yung message niya. Sabi niya, hello, we are interested in posting our stuff on your Facebook page as a paid promotion. We will provide 2 article/video posts daily. Are you open for paid advertisement on your Facebook page? If so, please get back to me. We will pay you $3,000 per week. Tapos parang may panote pa siya na hindi daw nila ma-access yung Facebook page ko. So una pa lang red flag na kasi this does not look legit. Anong pangalan yan? Alma. Moreno, Concepcion, Matter? Tapos kiniklik ko yan pero wala siyang Facebook profile. Ako naman very weary ako sa mga ganito so hindi ko sila masyadong pinapansin. But for some reason, minessage ko siya. So sabi ko, hi, what do you mean? Kasi medyo magulo yung pagkakalatag niya ng kanilang proposal. And guys, kung talagang legit sila, they would ask for my email. So ito yung sagot na. Sabi na, okay, we offer sponsored advertising. We buy Facebook ads and provide them to you. You must place them on the side of your page and receive payment for them. We partner with brands like Adidas, Zumba, Ring, and Monroe. And we also run ads for Amazon affiliate products that match the page quality. We run 10 ads daily. Our client must select one and publish the one they consider to be the best fit for their page quality on the side of their page. A single ad remains on your Facebook page for 24 hours. So sabi ko, I see. So how do we go about it? Kasi naguguluhan ako kasi puro nga lang dito sa Messenger. Kasi nakatry naman ako ng mga brand deals and we usually talk via email. Doon kami nagtatransact, doon kami nagko-converse para may paper trail. Red flag, another. So sinabi ko na, are we transacting here in Messenger? Sabi niya, no, we will pay you. What payment method do you use so that we can proceed? Kasi binigay niya yung mga options kung paano daw ako babayaran. So I said, PayPal. So na-weirdo na naman ako dito na dito ako sa Messenger tinatanong kung paano magbabayad. Tapos sabi niya, alright, we will send you ads over your ad account via our ad account through email and you can see the ads there. And also can place from there. Let me know your email address to send you ads. When you receive the ads, we will pay you instant and natatakpaan ba sa ganyan? Di ba pati yung sentence construction hindi formal? So by this time, nagtaka na ako. So sabi ko, can you show an example of your work? Kasi medyo hindi ko magets. Tapos sabi niya, send me your email so we can move forward. This was about the Tapos sabi ko, send me a link of your sample. Tapos nag-send siya ng pictures. Pero nung tiningnan ko, para lang naman siyang screen cap. Tapos, hindi naman ito yung mga brands na sinasabi niya. Ayan, inulit na pa sa baba. I've attached some examples of our ads. This is how our ads will look like when they are placed on your page. Brands like Nike, Puma, Coke, Aviation, Samsung, and many more are our clients. The ads depend on